And starting the video off in the number one spot from Artica, we have their 23-inch LED chandelier. Now this chandelier does have a center light in it, has that beautiful 23-inch diameter with a nice matte black finish. Now it has a forward and reverse function. This is a very nice light. It's from Costco's coupon book, their instant savings. It's still available and also available at Costco.com. Now you can grab this light today at $30 off the price, bringing it down to $99.99. It's also available at Costco.com for $10 more at $109.99. Off to the number two spot from Ninja, we have their professional blender with Auto IQ. Now you really can't go wrong with this blender. Why? Because it's pretty inexpensive in my opinion. It's only $50, a great price here at Costco. Now this is part of Costco's instant savings. Now the motor is somewhat decent, has 1400 watts, which is pretty powerful, has low, high, and pulse settings. That way it does give you nice control over your blending power. Now this blender does look pretty decent in my opinion. I do like it, and especially for the price, $20 off. Now you can pick this up here at the warehouse till the 30th, or you can grab it at Costco.com for the same exact price. Now the pitcher size is also nice and large at 72 ounces. Definitely grab this one, especially if you don't own a blender. In the number three spot, also a great deal here at Costco. Not one of my favorites, but it's still a great deal. We have the Fiskars 15-inch loppers, and this does come with the hand pruners. For this price point, it's definitely a buy, especially if you like to do a lot of gardening around your household, or maybe you have a lot of shrubs or gardens. This is a great product to pick up. It definitely cuts back on time. So this product here, you get both included in the set. These are very sharp, so make sure you do use them with caution. You don't keep them around kids as well. Today, $5 off the price, bringing it down to $19.99. It's $5 more at Costco.com. And once again, friends, do not forget about our giveaway. It ends in just a few days. We're giving away this Lego backpack and luggage set, a value of $114.99, completely free to enter. Subscribe to the channel, and all the information will be available on my last Amazon video. So go ahead and watch that for all the details. In the number four spot, this time from Yasu, we have the very popular Greek yogurt bars. Now these yogurt bars are awesome. We have the cookies and cream flavor, 15 yogurt bars per box. It does have 90 calories per serving, which is one bar, 16 grams of carbs, 9 grams of added sugar, and 5 grams of protein. Now these are on sale till the end of the month. They are taking $4 off the price, bringing it down to $7.99. To the left, we also have the Milton's roasted vegetable cauliflower crust pizza in the number 5 spot. We get a 2-pack here. We also get $3.40 off the price. This is a great pizza for those busy nights, bringing the price down to $10.49 for a 2-count. In the number 6 spot, this time an easy upgrade to any household from Moen, we have their one-handle single-hole bathroom faucet. Now what's nice about this faucet, if you have a 3-hole, that's okay. They include a nice deck plate to cover up those holes. Now we have 2 different color variations here at the warehouse. We have the brushed nickel and we have the matte black. But if you want a third option, if you want chrome, you can buy that at Costco.com for only $10 more. This is a great bathroom faucet, and it's on sale till the end of the month here. Now, that does include a nice push-down drain, which is also included, $15 off the price, only $54.99. In the number 7 spot, this time from Don Lee, we have their grilled chicken patties, and we do get a 12-count per package, 18 grams of protein per patty. What's nice about this package here is we do get over 2.5 pounds of grilled chicken. Today, they're taking $4.50 off the price for us, bringing it down to $10.49. Another great deal from Costco's coupon book, we have the very popular variety pack of prebiotic soda. Now, a lot of people love this soda, but it is an acquired taste, so make sure you just buy one to see if you like it first. We have 2 different variations to choose from here at the warehouse. Now, these do come 15 cans per box. Each can is 12 ounces, and today they're taking $5 off the price, bringing it down to $14.99. And one of my favorites in the number 9 spot, we have the Teton 100% grass-fed beef sausages. Now these are delicious. We do get a 12-count per package here. Yes, they are expensive, but buy them when they're on sale and stock up. These are amazing. No nitrites, no nitrates in them, no celery juice. $4 off the price, $13.99. Another great product to pick up and stock up on, especially if you have little ones at home. In the number 10 spot from 7 Sundays, we do have their grain-free cereal. Now the cereal, the ingredients on it are pretty amazing. There's only about 8 different ingredients. It's sweetened with dates and coconut sugar and only has 160 calories for a full cup of cereal, which is pretty great. Now it does have 26 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, less than 1 gram of sugar, and it does have 4 grams of protein. Check out those ingredients: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 total ingredients. Now today, $2 off the price, only $6.99. In the number 11 spot, if you're thinking about upgrading your security system or adding one, check out this one from Reolink. It's a professional grade. Now each camera does have 12 megapixels. The image quality is amazing. You may need an electrician to wire it up for you because you do have to run Cat 5 or Cat 6 cable throughout the house. But this system is an NVR system, meaning it comes with that little black box that does store all your video footage on that box 24/7. That means you don't need any monthly fees. Everything is stored in your household. They are taking $100 off the price, bringing it down to $699.99. Another one of my favorites, in the number 12 spot from Geneva, we have the yellowfin tuna in the number 12 spot. Now I do love this tuna. It's in olive oil. Now me personally, I don't drain out the olive oil. I take a huge bed of lettuce with cabbage, with red onion, tomatoes, olives, feta, and I dump this tuna fish right on top with a little bit of oregano, and there you go. You got yourself a massive salad. You can split it up into twos. It's well under 1,000 calories depending upon how much feta you put on it. But today you can get 6 cans of it, 7-ounce cans, $3.30 off, $12.59. So I did show this sink already twice on my channel. This will be the third time. I'm only showing it again because it did make the top 30 list. It's a nice sink. It's stainless steel. It's 18 by 16 by 13. Now what's nice about this sink, it does include the faucet. As you know, faucets are expensive. Faucets can cost anywhere from $80 all the way up, and this faucet is included. So if you subtract $80 from the total price, you're really only paying $160 for the sink, which is a great deal. So here you get the total package, 16 gauge stainless steel for $219.99. Off to the number 14 spot, this time from Winx, we have their C610. This is their 4-stage True HEPA air purifier. It does have Wi-Fi, and it even comes with an additional filter. That way you have up to 2 years of filtration. It cleans rooms up to 1,840 square feet. What I like about it, has an air quality indicator. That way it does display real-time air quality in the room. It even has an auto mode, and with a built-in air quality sensor, it measures and then adjusts the fan speed in real time, which is great as well. They're taking $30 off the price, and it does have pretty amazing reviews at Costco.com. You can read them there. Now today, it's priced at $99.99. Another awesome buy here at Costco. In the number 15 spot, we have the Michelin wiper blades. Now this is a great buy, especially if you have any loved ones. Buy a set for them. Why not? There's a book here at Costco. You can open the book and check the size of your vehicle. That way you can grab the appropriate size. Now these wiper blades are great. Today we have a fantastic discount at $3 off, bringing the price down to $7.99. If you do have a sweet tooth, you can try out the Unreal bars. These are dark chocolate coconut minis, and the ingredients on these are super clean. They are 70 calories per mini. To my left, we have the very popular Sanders. Now, I did have a lot of viewers tell me to try these last year, and I tried them, and they did not disappoint. These are deadly good. They're delicious. $8.69 for the Sanders, $7.69 for the Unreal dark chocolate coconut minis. And now in the number 17 spot, this time we have the Chefman, their 20 quart. This is their 12-in-1 air fryer oven. Now this oven does include a probe thermometer. It can even hold a 12-inch pizza, which is pretty nice. Now it does have digital control buttons that I'm not a huge fan of. It does also have 12 different functions. You can air fry, you can bake, dehydrate, and a lot more. And right to the left of the Chefman, we do have the Ninja. Now that just became available on clearance, and I am going to show that in tomorrow's video, so you may want to wait. You can grab the Chefman, $30 off the price. You can pick it up for $119.99. And once again, in the number 18 spot, this is a great time to pick up some premium shelf liner from Contact. Now, we are looking at 30 feet of shelf liner. This is great for a variety of different things around your household, in your dresser, in your cabinets, in your toolbox, in your bathroom. 15 feet by 18 inches. You do get 30 feet in total. This is a great buy, so definitely grab this the next time you head to Costco if you need it, but you can use this for so many different other applications. $5 off the price. It's only $14.99. In the number 19 spot, I definitely have to pick this up next time I go to Costco. We have their 5-panel LED garage lights. Now these do come in a 2-pack here at Costco, 8,000 max lumens. What I like about this light, you can adjust it the way you want to position it, and it even has one center down light, which is pretty great. 4 adjustable panels. Now this is a new modern design, has 3 different lumen positions as well. You can see it there right on the box. Now I didn't hit the try me button, which I should have. It's super bright though, 8,000 lumens for a garage light, or a bulb shall I say. It's pretty great. Now today we're getting $5 off the price for a 2-pack. That's going to bring the price down to $19.99. Essentially it's $10 a light. And directly behind it in the number 20 spot, we have their Wrap It, their Ultimate Organizer Pack. Now here you can wrap up your extension cord if you have any. I did insert a few different pictures giving you a better idea what you can do. Roll up your jumper cables, even carry around a garden hose if you have one. Outdoor power equipment, roll up those extension cords, garden hoses like I said. And if you use your imagination, you can also be creative. You can hang a ladder off a wall if you'd like. Keep it nice, everything nice and organized. Here they're taking $6 off the price, bringing it down to $9.99. Another one of my favorites, this time in the number 21 spot, we have the popular Tommy Bahama chair. We've seen this a bunch on my channel. Now the chair is very, very comfortable. Have a seat in it next time you go to Costco. Has that nice extra thick padding for extra comfort. It includes a carrying bag, has a 500-pound weight capacity. It's extra large, it's extra sturdy, it's extra wide. This is a nice, comfortable chair. Check it out. Now we are getting a pretty good discount today. We have the brown and we have the green. I'm hoping this does drop on clearance next month. Pretty hoping. I'm not going to buy it because it's still quite expensive, but if it does, I may pick it up. $49.99 after a $12 discount. And now from Acer in the number 22nd spot, we have their Nitro Curve gaming monitor. It does have a resolution of 2560 by 1440. Since it is a gaming monitor, the refresh rate is 180 Hz, which is great. It does require a display port for those Hertz. Now it does have a 1 millisecond response time and a 0-frame design. The monitor is great. Is it the best? No, they have better options available at Costco.com when it comes to gaming monitor. But for this price point, it's not bad at all. $50 off the price. They're going to bring it down to $179.99. You can also pick it up at Costco.com for the same exact price. In the number 23 spot from Cuisinart, we have their 12-cup die-cast food processor. Now this processor does have a very powerful motor at 1,000 watts, has that induction motor. Also comes with a 3-year limited warranty and a 10-year motor warranty, which is great. We've gone over this food processor 2 to 3 times on my channel, and today it's back on sale from Costco's coupon book. Now what's nice about this processor, it can tackle large or small jobs. Why? Because it comes with a 12-cup and it comes with a 4-cup. So 2 different size food bowls you can use. That way you can tackle large and smaller jobs, which is pretty nice. Has a nice sturdy stability base, has a built-in cord storage, which is great. $50 off the price, $149.99. In the number 24 spot from Food Saver, we have their vacuum sealing system. Now this is their starter kit. It does include bags and rolls. Now we did see their older system available on my channel a bunch of times on clearance. This is the new model that just came out this year. Now some warehouses a little bit earlier than others, but a majority of warehouses, this unit did come out about a couple of months ago. It's now on sale, and I have read a lot of people saying return your old one and grab this new one. It's that much better. You can pick it up now, $30 off the price, $89.99. In the number 25 spot, this time from Coda, we have their LED motion security light. Now, I am a fan of Coda. I do like their products. This one is super bright at 4200 lumens, even has an accent light underneath at 200 lumens. Now, it does have a 240-degree motion sensing range and a 70-foot motion detection range. Now, what I don't like about this product is the plastic housing it provides. I wish it was metal, but at this price point, you can't really complain too much. $8 off. It's only $19.99. And keep in mind, friends, this is a hardwire security light, so you have to hardwire it. In the number 26 spot, this time from Shark, we have their cordless stick vacuum. Now, I did release a Sam's Club video the other day where I showed a Shark vacuum, one of my favorites, the Rocket. Even though it's corded, it's very inexpensive and it does an amazing job. So if you want a vacuum, try corded one first. If not, maybe upgrade. But anyways, Costco also just released the new Tinko, the iFloor 3 cordless mop. Now, so you may want to wait and try that one out instead. We have a bunch of different options coming in. $80 off this vacuum, $299.99. And next up from Oral-B in the number 27 spot, we have their all-in-one electric toothbrush. Now, should this have made the top 30 spot? Absolutely not, but it's too late to change it now. But anyways, friends, if you're going to spend money on a toothbrush, just buy a $20 toothbrush and invest into a water flosser. You're going to get a lot more benefits from a water flosser than a fancy toothbrush. $50 off the price, $119.99. Don't overthink it. Brush your teeth, and more importantly, floss them. And if you're going to eat sardines, make sure you do them both, brush and floss, because these little stinky fishes, they're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which is great for your heart health. They're great for your bones. They're packed with calcium, vitamin D. They're rich in B12. These are great. They're a nutritional powerhouse, but here you can pick them up at a great price at $8.99. Now, if you eat too many sardines, you're definitely going to have to pick up some Windex. Get that bathroom nice and clean. We have a 4-pack here. Each bottle is 32 ounces. Today, they're taking $4 off the price, bringing it down to $7.99. That's $2 a bottle. If you destroyed your toilet, you can pick up the toilet wands here. Now, this is a great item to buy. You buy it once a year. You get 36 refills, 1 wand, and you can keep your toilet nice and clean. You just throw them out after you're done. Here, $3.80 off, bringing the price down to $13.89. And if you really have to disinfect, you can buy the Clorox. They're 3-in-1 here. Now, this comes with the spray bottle and the value refill. This is a great product also to pick up. Buy these one time a year and you're good to go. $3.80 off as well, $12.79. And let's not forget about the Swiffer dusters. You get 17 refills, 1 handle, and today we get a $4 discount. Let me grab that price sign for you. There you go, $13.99. I'll hold it up, why not? Now we also have their dry cloth, the heavy duty dry cloths. Now these can pick up 2 times more dust. This is another great item to buy. Now all these items are just, you buy them once and you're good for the year. That's it. But make sure you only buy them when they're on sale. Right here, $4 off for a 50 count. Why not? Only $13.99. This is going to last you 2 years maybe. Also, don't forget about the Clorox wipes. These are another great buy when they go on sale. Anytime you get sick around your household, disinfect everything, clean the doorknobs, clean your mirrors, clean your counters. These are great to do a nice wipe down. It really speeds up the timing. $3.80 off, $14.99. Alright friends, seems like a good time to end the video. We just went through the top 30, probably the best deals available here in March, available at Costco. Now all these deals do expire about the 30th or 31st, depending upon the deal. So make sure if you do want to buy it, head to Costco this week, pick it up before the deal expires. If you enjoyed today's video and you did enjoy this type of content, make sure you hit that like button, support the channel. I do need all the help I can get. Make sure you enter the giveaway. Once again, it's completely free, so why not? I am going to do another giveaway immediately after that one, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you tomorrow, friends, with a new Costco clearance video. Peace.